Welcome to our Horrid Henry Assembly. Literary Assembly. The two main characters in Horrid Henry stories are Horrid Henry and Perfect Peter.
Horrid Henry is a horrid boy who loves doing unimaginable horrid things. He throws food, he snatches things, he pushes, shoves, and pinches.
Perfect Peter is Horrid Henry's younger brother. He is an extremely perfect boy who does uncomfortable good deeds. Before we wrote our stories, we thought it would be fun to create our own characters. The character's name starts with the same letter. This is called alliteration. So we made characters using this same idea. My character is brave Billy, and he is brave and smart. He is always joyful and happy, and he likes to run around in the wet grass. Character is negative Nate. He is a negative and naughty boy. He is also smart, clever, and silly. My character is Terrible Tiffany. She is cheeky, naughty, and incredibly talkative. She is annoying and disrespectful. Terrible Tiffany is very selfish and hates learning. Character is Eggy Unit, and he is very, very stinky. He doesn't fast all day, and he's very annoying because the smell spread everywhere.
My character is Walter Bobby, and he's crazy and fun. Sometimes he behaves, but normally he just banana.
My character is Scarlet Blessed. She is very girly, rich, and popular. However, she isn't perfect as she often doesn't listen to her teacher. My character is Dirty Diana. She is very dirty and mischievous. She loves to jump in every muddy path she sees and just loves getting messy.
My character is Father Freeman. He is very popular and rich. He is famous and he always up by signing people's signature.
My character is Naughty Norma, and she is very naughty and rude. She likes to hang out with Horrid Henry after school every day. She is also friends with Terrible Tiffany and Dirty Diana.
My character is Silly Sunny, and he is silly and naughty. He always shouts out in class and is very rude.
My character is Bad Bunny. He is naughty and bad, and he likes to plan people to spend Horrid Henry. My character is Burping Bob, and he is very stinky and smelly. He always burps, especially when he meets people. For the first time they were so loud, he burps over 1,000 times a day.
My character is Stinky Simon, and he is stinky, messy, and crazy. His best friend is Eggy Eugene, and together they like to disturb everyone in class.
My character is opposite Oreo. He is disrespectful, impolite, and aggressive. He is also messy and annoying, but sometimes smart and creative. Now we have our own characters. We came out with our own stories inspired by Horrid Henry. The first story was written by Hassan, and it is called Horrid Henry's New Friend. One day, bumped into a girl called Dirty Diana. All her stuff, and Henry helped her clean up. Dirty Diana was a new girl in school, so she liked Henry. Rude Ralph did not like how Henry helped her, so he was so shocked because usually he was just not care. He was still spying on her. In the class, he made better act Dirty Diana to everyone. Dirty Diana realized Ralph was spying on her. In the class, he was still spying on her, so she teach a lesson. He made an arguing book, but she did it wrong with knowing. Diana 在看给我们的游戏里。Quickly, Diana did her role in science class, so Henry was amazed by how fast she was working on her potion. When he wasn't looking, Diana poured the potion into his bottle. He was as quiet as a mouse and as sly as a fox. So when Henry turned from talking to his friend, everything was normal, and he didn't even know what had happened until he was thirsty. He did everything Henry liked, and he even called perfect. He drank water from his unclean blue bottle and fainted onto the ground. When he woke up again, his better half, Henry's awful teacher, was looking down at him. Then he fell in love with her. Diana realized something was wrong. She went to look at the potion book again. Then she turned to page 29, where she found her potion and she saw that she did it all. The potion that she did was a love potion, and now Horrid Henry was in love with the most horrible teacher, Miss Betterlax.
You need to ask Miss Ralph, not me, alright?
So he went to find Ralph. He thought for a moment, then he agreed. When Henry was walking, Ralph pulled him into the science room. He did everything Henry liked, and he even called Prophet Peter a stumpy, stinky baby. So when he said that, Henry came back to normal. The next day at school, Diana became a new member of the Purple Hand Gang, and everyone liked her. She was the babe in pranks, so she would distract the grown-ups with her kind and evil heart. Sometimes she would scream at Henry when her mother gave her a bath, and everyone made fun of her and called her clean. Or when people ignored her, she would scream until someone did, and she would hold her breath so loud. Thank goodness she had stopped. The end. The next story is by Prem, and it's called Horrid Henry and the Nuclear Bomb.
Horrid Henry and Bad Bertie were walking down the street when suddenly a big fat woman came out of nowhere.
What are you kids doing here? Get out of this instant now! Then the two kids ran as fast as lightning out of the street. The next day, Henry came to visit Bernie, and after lunch, Henry talked about the lady who scared them yesterday and that they needed to get revenge. Let's go scare her. Great, let's go. Go where? Go scare the lady. What about we think of a plan to scare her? 1 hour later, they thought of something to scare her. A nuclear bomb, that's right, a nuclear bomb.
The plan was to find a nuclear bomb, set the timer for 1 minute, then tell everyone in the city, and then look for the lady that scared them. Then when the lady ran out, stop the bomb.
Now the plan starts. Then two kids sneak into the back of the giant metal wall and pick up a lighter. then started melting the metal.
They crawled into the factory. Later, they ran out as fast as they could. Bernie was holding the bomb timer. Henry was holding the nuclear bomb.
When they got to the middle of the city, Henry and Bernie recorded a video of them setting the bomb and posted it on the internet.
Later, people were running. Then they saw the lady that scared them running out of the city.
It's time to stop the nuke. Bernie cut the red wire. Henry cut the green wire. The timer stopped. Bernie and Henry thought they had stopped the bomb, but no, it just got delayed and the nuke exploded. Boom!
Later, the whole world exploded